collision repair technology program is designed to get entry-level techs out into the workforce. The non-structural part of the program is basically minor dent repair, scratches, panel replacement, taking parts off, bolting them on. The refinishing side of it is more for a prepper, or what a prepper is they get the car ready for the head painter to paint the vehicle. Masking techniques, you'll learn sanding techniques. Shops are really needing techs. It's going to be such a higher demand. It's been on the increase for the last 15 years. These jobs need to be fulfilled, and the only way we're going to do it is to start, programs such as the collision repair program. To me, I think the passion of this field is what makes you a strong tech. It shows, and it shows in your work. It shows in the quality you are and who you are as a person. I'm excited. I'm excited to let somebody else learn from it.